What's up, guys? This is the right monitor. Holy crap. You guys hear me and everything? Everything should be working good. It looks like it is. I gotta go back to the. Yep. All right, that's good. Okay, we're good. Oh, it's so obvious. It's wild. Funny enough, I'm working on a game right now. Got burnout on 5M scripts. Yeah, I feel that, dude. I totally feel that. To me, there's just no point. There's no point to put all my time into 5M. Just the only reason I was still doing it was for the YouTube channel. But for me personally, there is no point, like, because there's nowhere that 5M can realistically take you. I mean, yeah, you can throw it on your resume, but finishing a game and publishing it will look a lot better on a resume than a bunch of 5M scripts. And because Lua is not a very used language either, like in the actual tech industry. So we're gonna work on this, and I'm gonna finish this game because I've tried to make this game 3 times. So we're gonna finish it. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I think I want to build like a little nice little scene here. Oh, oops, did the wrong one. Nice little scene here. I don't know why this doesn't have material on it. Oh, it does. It's just not very blue. Oh, it's because of the alpha. But yeah, me, it's just I think it's just a better idea to try to do this stuff more. Oops, I don't know. I don't know why it's not like blue. Like this color blue, you know? Start color. I want it to start like this, like almost like greenish blue. And then like this one here too. It's almost like a gray. Never mind. It doesn't look very good. But I'm gonna build like a little scene here, and then we'll build like a little scene, and then from here we can start the actual core logic of the game itself. Oh, actually, that looks a lot better. So I think I don't know, for those of you that don't know, the game itself is called Merchant's Rise. The idea is, if you ever played the game Skyrim, then they have this all the Skyrim, like there's the merchants, right, where you can buy and sell your junk. That's pretty much what this game is. So you are the merchant itself. So instead of selling the junk to the merchant, you are the person getting stuff sold to. So the point, you got your merchant because you're the merchant, and then rise is because you start from the bottom and then you expand on your empire to gain favor with the king and with the all that extra stuff, which right now is very just, I like the idea of it, but when I go further down and get more done here, we're probably gonna use this here. We might use the pre-made one, or we might just make one, or make like the whole part ourselves. But I really like this one. But eventually, we'll probably have a full shop here that I'm building, because all these pieces are modular. So I'll probably build like a full dedicated merchant shop there. But you're gonna start with the stall, and you'll eventually be able to come up here and like plead with the king and stuff. Down the road. But for now, we'll just set up the core features of the game itself. Yeah. So there's gonna be like more like a almost like a settlement, kind of like a not like a life simulator, but it's just a simulator game. And you're just, the main thing is the merchant, but there'll be more stuff to do in it. I'm thinking of like maybe like an RPG style, but like has like a really strong president on being a merchant in the simulation side. But I want like the player to be able to own like multiple stalls and like hire workers, and like maybe we'll have like a little thing here for the player to own the blacksmith and make swords and stuff. So definitely gonna start off as like a merchant thing, and then maybe down the road we'll add more stuff. Make a basic gamer now, kind of like a repo type, but DBD type. I don't know what DB, like repo, where you like repo people's cars. And then this asset pack is pretty sick because it has a you can turn on the battle, like the battle mode, and it brings in all these battle props. Like this dead troll and stuff. It's pretty cool. Dead by Daylight, repos like Lethal Company or Content Warning. Lethal Company. Isn't that like the Lethal Company is like that meme game, isn't it? Yo, this I did the math earlier. This person, if it's one person or a group of people, they've made like $2.8 million off this game, because there was like 150,000 people playing it, and if you do 150,000 times the $20 it costs to buy the game, it's 2.8 million. That is so wild, and I'm betting it's just a single person. And I didn't see anything on any of the game dev Reddits about this at all. Nothing. Lethal Company is like that meme group game, isn't it? Yeah. It's a stream game is what I like to call it. Like that Office, like Among Us type kind of vibe. Okay. I want to stall. Where? Okay, so I'm gonna get a stall here. Just like a basic one. Like here. Okay, nice. Okay. Got this basic market stall. I don't like the rugs. Kind of shame you kind of have to use the rugs, but it's okay. Well, they got a glass material already. Oh, let me look at the other stalls they have. This one. No. It's kind of cool too, because with all these you can kind of do like an idea of like how you like want to start your journey almost. Like, do you want to start your journey as a like, for example, Like because you saw there was like the grain one, there was like the rug one, you know, like how you actually like want to start. I can't. I don't know where these stalls would be. Prefab props. Okay, here are all the stalls. Let me pull all these out here. Let's see. Oh, they did them on top of each other. That's fun. I wonder if there's like, is there not like a naked stall where I can like kind of customize it how I want? I mean, I could actually. I could just remove the dressing. I like this one here. Because then I can remove this stuff, and then I can design that however I want. There's like a hunting one. Oh, I actually think I like this one. Doesn't really matter that much, but that one's a double-sided one. So is that one. I'm thinking one of these, which they're all pretty much the same, but I like how this one's set up. Player as the monster of choice. Unity's the way to go, man. So I'm thinking we just do. I think I'm gonna take, because my favorite color is blue. I think we're gonna take this one here. We'll remove the dressing here, and then I hope the player. Let me make sure the player can walk through there. So I should be able to fit through here. Okay, I'm too thick. What's too thick about me? Oh wait, how are the collisions? Oh, what the heck? It's using a mesh collider. Okay. That's kind of annoying. I mean, they are marked as props. They're probably not really meant to be walked through. We could probably remove this. All right, let me unpack this. Do box. Put a box collider. It's gonna be irritating. Obviously, we'll need one here. We'll need another one. Like here. That should be good. Yeah, it's fine. You can walk through there. Guess I don't really care if your head hits on that. I do like your idea. Kind of gives me RuneScape. Yo, that's a good point. I hadn't thought about that. Yeah, it's kind of like a RuneScape thing almost, but not like the open world kind of thing. I mean, I guess it's kind of like it's open world because it's the whole like castle and stuff, but I'm not going to try to like scope creep too much right now. I just want to get the core idea of the game working, but there we go. Okay. So that is working. You can walk through. Okay, good. So that's your base stall. Then let's parent this. Okay. Okay, so then we'll grab, like, they had to be like table or something. Yeah, see, like something like this. And then I should be able to stretch it and it'll look fine. Yeah. Okay. So there you have like your table. And there should be a book, I assume. Because the book is how do they not have an open book? Paper? That's actually wild. How do they not have a Like a book, like an open book. Oh, they do. Okay, it just wasn't in the right spot. Okay, so this is how the book is how you manage like how you manage your stall, like your inventory and everything will be managed with the book. Is there like a pen? Oh. Oh, see, this one has like normal. Oh, maybe I just wasn't looking the right one. Oh, there's a lot. Whoa. This had more than I thought. These are just all in props. Okay. Maybe we'll have to change it and just do one of these just so I don't have to worry about like collisions and stuff. I do like this one more. Just looking. Bonus. Buildings. Yeah, I think it's just gonna be these really. I mean, I could do something like this here. Bring this book back here. We can do the stall like this. I like this one a lot more though, for sure. This one seems more like markety. This one doesn't really seem very like markety. But so I don't have to do annoying stuff with the with collisions and stuff. We'll just keep this one for now. What language are you coding this game in? C#. And then we'll put the book on the table. And then we'll unpack this. 'Cause we're not gonna have to. Don't need any stuff. Because we don't need any of this stuff here. Unpack. And then we'll make changes in this. Unpack. And then I can change the material to a different color too. I like this one better. Okay. So there we go. That will handle that. And then here. Oh, I need my. Should have something here called test game. No, we need. So I have So from another like I think from a tutorial or something, I had a code. It was like for creating different types of instances. But I don't think I have it anymore. I think I actually probably deleted it. That's annoying. I thought I kept it. Actually, it might be in here. No, that was just generating different closed. Here maybe. Aha, singleton utilities. This one here. What got you into coding and how did you learn? All game dev stuff got me into coding. And I think with this, Game dev got me into coding forever ago. This was the thing that got me into it forever ago. So if I use a singleton utility, I don't have to do the destroy and load on every script, which would be nice. Actually, I think I have it somewhere in here. One of these scripts have to have it. Building? No, because it would be a manager. Yeah, it's just singleton, and then I don't have to initialize it ever. Yeah. Okay. Then I can go into here. Yeah, reload. Okay, so you got me into coding. Well, that's good, man. As long as you're enjoying it, you know. I don't have to do this. Okay. So with this, I just move my chair over. I'm not even like centered with my code. Then we do that. Can move. It's good. Okay. So here's our game manager, which is good. Okay, so let's do let this reload. So let's create a shop folder. Shop. We'll do shop. So this is gonna be shop manager. So this is going to hold all the data for the shop. So this was also going to be a singleton shop manager. So things like, so this is going to be serialized field. Oh, this is where I'm actually going to have to go back because it's been so long since I've used Unity. Okay, we have to mark it as field like this. So this is going to be serialized field, private. It's going to be shop, name. And then we're going to do get set, or we're going to just set this to like test first. Test is going to be get, private get. Wait, is that how you do that? Oh, it's been so long. I took way too long of a Unity break. There we go. Something's still wrong here. Actually, shop name. Let's do this for now, actually. Oh, it's because I gotta mark this to public. There we go. Can be making like Schedule 1. No, I've already made a game like Schedule 1. It wasn't like I never finished it, but I got sort of close. Not anything too far, but I had it at first. It was like Schedule 1, and then it changed to being like a weapons dealer. Let me see if I have it. If I have a video. I don't have a video of it, but it was very similar. Okay, so we'll do like shop name, and then we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna do public. Instead it's gonna be int. We're gonna do shop gold, because that's how gold's like your money. Other things. That's probably good for now. Wake, shop gold. I don't want to override this, so we'll just do start. Shop gold will be 0. Is it difficult to make a game like Schedule One? It's not really something you can just like. Is it difficult? It's kind of a thing, you know. It's coding. It's just not really anything crazy like that. Like you can't just say, is it easy? Is it hard? It's hard. It's not just like a walk down the park. You just starting this one? Yeah, for like the eighth time. I think I've restarted this game like 4 times. I should already have a. I thought I did. I already had a like a base save system. At least in this one, I thought I did. Guys, you have to do that too. Trying to find an art style that looks different. I feel that. I just use Cinti assets because that's what I have. I already own. I own like almost all of Cinti's stuff. I'm about to buy this humble bundle too and get even more. So um, so we'll use Jason. I need to figure out how to using Jason with there should be a yeah, here we go. I've been making mine in Blender, but I know to tank FPS. Oh man, Blender. I hate Blender. I can't do stuff like that. Version of Unity is oh, here someone asked about it. Jason.net. Oh, they're saying, oh, you can. Wait, what? This did not take me to Asset Store. Oh, it did. I clicked the wrong one. Oh, it's not supported anymore. Ah, I thought I had it. I should have it if that's like the normal way people are using it. No, maybe not. Okay. Too many tabs open here. That one. Should probably go to sleep. It's 11:30. Yeah, you probably should, but I tell myself that all the time at night, but never go to bed. Jason save system pops up here. I don't need that. Thank you. Oh, this is old. Why does it have an empty class? Yeah, that's what they're doing. System. Okay, so that's what I needed to do. Oh. Okay. I see what they're okay. Okay. So I got their save data class here. That has nothing in it at the time. So they grab position data, which is this. Right, position data. But it's really crazy that in my country, DUR. I don't know what you mean by that. So it will do position data. It will do new. Okay, so it grabs a new one of these. And then that gets called. Okay. I'm actually gonna duplicate this real quick and go back one. Read this one. If you're in 9th grade, you have to write 2 tests. One is math, and the second is my language to get into middle school. All right. Oh, you just do JSON utility dot to JSON. Oh, what? I didn't know that. The simpler it is, JSON should look like that. File dot write all text. Huh. Been a while since I've done this. Player data, save load. Okay, so let's do. If we build the framework for a save system now, it'll be a lot easier. It'll be a lot easier. So we have our shop class, which is shop name and shop gold. So we'll do shop name equals shop test to start. Okay, and then we'll do with that, and then we'll throw a player class. Actually, nah, we don't have to do that. Cause I was gonna say we could just like spawn the player where they were, but I don't think it really matters that much. So let's go into utils, and we'll do save load. Okay, and then we'll do using system.io. Right. Okay, yeah, it is that. So actually on shop manager, so save load, we're actually gonna turn this into a singleton save load, right? And on, so we're going to do public void load shop data. So here we are actually going to want to, we're gonna want to return something. So probably what I meant is that if I want to make it to like IT school, I must write the test on A or B, so I must study really hard, and it's already in 3 weeks. Yeah, that's like most countries. It's not just like your country that does that. That's just school. What do we want to return? We actually probably want to do public class shop data. Do system dot serializable, and then we'll do shop name string public string shop name. What the heck? And we'll do public int shop gold. And then that should be good. So then we'll do shop data right here. It is mostly in Europe. No, you have to do that stuff in America too. It's America, you have to do tests. It's not a walk through the park. So we'll do private shop data. And then here in this save load, we want to return shop data here. And here we want to public void save shop data, but we want to do shop data. So here is where we actually want to write the information. So from this tutorial, we'll do Can I edit this? What the heck? I can edit this. So here in the save, they're doing save player data. Where are they getting this from? Oh, they're not doing that. Player data. Oh, player data. Okay. Player data. Which is just that. Okay. What school? I'm not going to say what school I went to. What the heck? And this is all we need here, actually, so I can just grab this. Oh, it's going to be stupid and highlight the... Oh, no, it won't. Here we go. You can just copy this here. Then we can just do the same thing here. They have player data, so we can just do shop data. Save shop data. And like here they have this file path. Save file path. String. And there we go. So that should actually save our shop data when we load. So first what we're going to do is on this load, so we're going to just grab this load here again. I'm just going to copy this over. File exists, save file path from player data. It's going to be shop data. We're going to want to return shop data. Return null here. I'm not a fan how they didn't put this in brackets. Here we go. Okay, so now we can go to shop manager, and on start we can do var shop new shop data equals save load dot instance dot load shop data, and we'll do if new shop data is null, then we are going to set shop data equals new shop data. shop data, and then we're going to do, we don't even need these because now we can just access shop data to get all the information for that. So if that equals that, and then we'll set the information here. We'll do shop data dot that, or dot that. The same thing here. There we go, and else shop data equals new shop data. There we go, and then here we're gonna need to save this. So we'll do save load instance dot save shop data, and then we'll just save this one here. So this should work. So we'll do debug dot log shop data dot shop name, and we'll see if this actually prints. It should. Actually, I don't want to change this. Player data dot JSON shop data. And then actually we're gonna debug dot log. We're gonna debug dot log this so I can just copy it over and then go straight to it so I can open the JSON file. And since this is like this, then it should save immediately. Or it should create the shop. In reality, I should have added more debug code, but oh, probably should do shop manager. I should actually create the objects. And then shop should be good. Oh, I think I need to actually put that save load class on an object. Yeah. We got an error. I gotta put it on a class. Yeah. We will put that on save load. I'll just call this save data manager. Wrong thing. There we go. Okay, that should be good now. Okay, there we go. So it loaded shop test. It looks like it loaded correctly. All right, it looks like it printed everything correctly. So open this here. Here we are. That's not the right thing. Okay, it's gonna be weird. Where's it located? At data local load. And I already had it here. Wait, that's not the right one. Oh, this is in documents. Oh, because I was saving it to the documents instead. Now this is going to persistent, which is local low. Working on your own actual game, yeah. Well, let me go to this file. Local low, and then it should be under Erupted Studio. Oh, it's default company. Shop data.json. Here it is. There we go. A shop name, shop gold. Nice. Okay, so that worked. Got the player.load. Okay, so actually let's go into here. Default company. Make this the correct name. There we go. Does that just not a save button? Okay. So now if I open it, if I load it, there we go. So I created the. Oh, let's go into here, and let's just debug.log shop.name. So I'm doing this for a reason. So if I open the shop data here, you can see shop name, shop test, and we're gonna do shop test 2 to make sure it's actually loading the data correctly. So it shouldn't print any of the stuff that's in the console right now. Yep, there we go. Shop test 2. So it's loading data correctly. Good. We needed that. Got our shop data. Okay, there we go. So then next we're gonna do public class shop inventory. It's gonna be system serializable 2. Then here we're gonna do public shop inventory. And then this is just gonna be actually this needs to be that. So this will be probably a string. We'll do item name, and then we'll do int in stock. Set these as public. And I want this to be oh, I'm having a brain fart. Where is it at? System. No, what is that? Why am I having such a big brain fart? Serialized field. Serialized field. I want to be able to see all the shop data off rip here. Should actually now save shop data. Or it should actually save the inventory. Okay, so if I go to shop manager, shop data, inventory, if I add it, element, we got item name and item stock. Oh, nice. And then if I open this, reload it here. Okay, so it didn't save correctly. So then we just need to do shop data dot inventory equals new shop inventory. No, that's not how that works. Equals just an empty table. New shop inventory. No, wait, hold on. It's different because those quick actions. Okay, because this is a. Let me just do. No, because it needs to just be. It needs to be this. I thought it was this. Array creation must have the size array initializer. No, we don't want it to be an array though. Oh, you know what we need? Using system dot collections dot generate. Can I convert shop inventory to shop inventory? What's this one? Okay, so that one is that. Make it a list. Yeah, it could. I think it's different because of how Unity is with their save data, or with like list dictionaries, because it's different because it's a class, and then this is already defined as a list here. This is just creating the new. I don't think I have to do that. I think it's just. Let me just delete the already saved data we already have. And this will just take this default anyways. Obviously we need to set the name and everything. There we go. I was just overcomplicating it. Okay. Go away. Okay, so this should be actually. We're gonna do public. Okay, so we'll be able to. I want to be able to do that because in Game Manager, was it on exit? No, I forget. What's the method when game stops? I thought it was like it's on destroy. On application quit. We want to. Oh wait, hold on. That's a. What? Oh, I don't replace the void. Okay. Oh no, it's override and then void. I don't know why it's throwing that because it doesn't look like. See, on application quit. Oh, I don't want it to override this though. So we can probably actually just do this ourselves, right? We can just do. Actually, don't need that. No, we can just do what game manager dot instance equals no. No, not do that. Because that set accessor is inaccessible. Well, because I want to be able to do this. Okay. Oh, we can call the. Okay. We can call the base method. Okay. Well, yeah, and then I can just do save load dot instance dot save shop data, and then we can do shop manager dot shop data or dot instance dot shop data. I don't know why I'm doing it here. There's no point in doing it here. I don't know what just happened. We might as well just do it in shop manager. And we'll just save it here instead, so I don't have to do this. So that will save when the application closes. Okay, good. So that should be fine. Okay. That should be good now. Okay. So now we need to do player interaction. So we can start interacting with stuff. Which is actually pretty easy here. So we'll just do folder. Might have multiple interaction scripts here, so well, I'm gonna have all my we're gonna do that. Do all my player scripts headed with PLR. So this will also, we don't really need this won't, I know there's not really, this won't have to be accessed anywhere else. So, which honestly, I could probably just yoink this from another one of my projects, because almost all my projects have interaction like this, and I just do it the same way every time. Which is really weird because I don't see the code for it. Oh, in here. Player interaction. Here we go. Yeah, I literally do it the exact same way every time. So we'll just yoink this code here. Or actually, a little bit differently here. We'll just grab this code here. Boop. There we go. Okay. So remember how I did this. Okay. So we have so this is our interaction here. We don't have an audio source right now. Don't need that. Player, we don't need instances for the time being. We have our mask. So this just combines all the masks. I don't know what the... Oh, so this will only do it. Okay. Okay. So I have all the functions for the interactions here. Okay. HUD manager was like how I had the... So like press E to interact with blank. Okay. We can just get rid of all these. And we can just do book mask. And then it should just be book. And we can do a new function called book interact and replace that with a dirt one was. There we go. And then adaptive cards for, I don't know what that is. Okay, there we go. And then we can do something like debug dot log. Do interacted with book. You know, like Finny anti-cheat. Yeah, it's the anti-cheat. Yeah. I don't know what you mean by adaptive cards though. Okay. And then I just. Oh, that? Yeah, I know how to do that. Yeah, that's not very hard to do. It's just annoying to change anything with it. And we'll give this here, we'll give this layer book. Let's just do shop book. Actually, yeah, I'll do that. We'll do shop book, so it's not as confusing. We'll go back to player. No, player. Okay, player. To shop book there, and then we'll go in here actually and change it to shop book. Oh, video? There's probably no videos, no. Okay. So now if I do this and then I go in. Interacted with book. It works. Oh Lord, it's working even when I'm not even. Got no ref here. Oh, it's because this. Oh. You know why? It's because it's being. Save load's being destroyed first. Shop manager dot instance dot shop data. So we'll save it there instead. I'm gonna have to learn from scratch. Yeah, it's code for you. A lot of things just isn't right there for you. I don't know why I did it like this. If input dot get key down key code dot e. I think before I actually. Oh, you know why I was doing it? Oh, okay. I was doing that like so. It was like press so for the HUD stuff. Input dot get key down key code dot e. That's okay. I was doing it on purpose like that. So now it will only actually. This stuff will actually only go through if you press E. I'm hungry. Eat some food. Okay, so it shouldn't be. There you go. So now it only works if you press E. How can I jump? Same thing here. So it's saying this isn't. Okay. That's fine. I'll just comment this out for now. Actually, and then we'll do that. And then get rid of these debugs we already know. Okay. Okay. Now it should just be good. Okay. Nice. And then this still printed, even though I deleted these, I thought. Okay. There we go. Now it shouldn't print it. And then also, it's because I can't jump because ground isn't marked as like something I can jump on. It's just default ground. Okay, there we go. Very nice. Okay, next thing, game manager. Game manager, next thing we need to do actually is not that. We need to do create empty. Do managers. Ground. And row. There we go. Okay, so next thing we need to do is game manager. We need to have like some sort of like UI or something for like the time of day. So we're gonna do. Actually, I might. No, I don't think I already did this. Let's just think. The drug game that I made, I think already has like a time of day. I thought it did. I can't remember really though. I don't think it did. Yeah, I don't think it did. Okay. So what we'll do, right? So we're gonna do probably like 20 minutes is a real life, or 20 minutes will be like the full day for the code. So or for the thing. So we'll do public class game states. So we'll do state 1 will be like morning. Equals 1. We'll do like 1, and then we'll do public int afternoon is 2, and then we'll do a forenoon. Nights. So we'll do like, so morning the time's frozen. So first we'll do update public float game time equals 0. So each second, so we'll do wait for second 1 F. I don't think I can do this actually. I think it's only for coroutines. It was a delay. No, hold on. So we'll say someone will have it here. Oh, there's so many different. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh, this will actually like make it look nice. I'm gonna take this one. Okay. This is timer 1. Timer. Oh, that's text. Okay, so this will actually format it. Okay. 2 minutes. Let's do minutes. 20 minutes. And then we'll do private game states. Actually, we'll do public int game state equals game state dot morning. Why does that not work? We don't need that actually. We could just make that an inu. Or yeah, public inu or inu game states. Well, I don't think you can actually. I think it's different here actually too. I'm about to start using Visual Studio Code again. Okay. Paste that back in. So just because these need to be commas. Comma. Comma. Don't need to do that or that. Okay, so what we do here is if game state, so we'll do if game state equals afternoon. That's when we want the timer to tick. But if it's not, then we don't need it to. So instead of total time, we should flip this. And instead total seconds. So we'll instead let's just do this. Total time. Private float current time. Then we'll do equals 0f. And then this. And we'll do current time equals that. And then we'll do here, we'll do if current time is greater than or equal to game time, then we will freeze, and then current time will be equal to game time or total time. Total time, we'll just do total time. Yeah, and then we'll do game state equals game state dot night. And then there we go. We'll do update this. Else. Actually, we can update, put this here no matter what. Nope, backwards. Put that there. And do this. timer tools. We'll just do serialized field, private, TMP, text, timer, text. Okay, there we go. Done compiling. There we go. And then we'll go into here and we'll add UI text. Import. There we go. And then we'll do game time text. We'll put this up at the top here. There we go. We go to game manager and we'll throw that there, and then this should work, I think. Oh no, something didn't work. Game time. What is? I don't understand why game that didn't throw an error there, which is weird. Oh, because I have this up there called game time. Okay, that should work. It should work now. Oh, it still didn't work. Actually, let me serialize this. If current time is greater than total time, debug, debug, log current time. Make sure the current time's actually ticking up. Doesn't seem like it is. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not going up. This if statement isn't passing. Oh, it's because it's not morning. That's why. Or it's because it's not the afternoon. Let me set this to afternoon. Now it should work. Ugh. There we go. Then it should eventually be able to mess with this here. Yeah, so you got the time there. It should end at. Yep. The time it went over, so the time stopped at 20. So then if. Yeah. All right. Nice. Okay. So that works. So let's do canvas. So just do player HUD. good. And then we'll do here. We'll do we'll do book canvas. I'm gonna do another one here. We're gonna do shop. Okay, here. So this is where it's gonna be a little bit different here. So we're gonna delete that. What we're gonna do is first off change this to constant screen size 1920 by 1080, and we're gonna put this at 0.5 so it scales evenly. Copy this, copy component, and we'll paste this here. Paste this value. Okay, so we're gonna go into book canvas and we're gonna put in a UI image, and we're gonna scale this up right about here. Undo that and scale it this way. Wrong way. We're gonna scale it this way. It's gonna be a brownish like that. And then we're gonna do background, and then we're going to do on top of here UI, and we're going to button. Scale it correctly here like that. It's not really how I wanted to do it, but do that. On here we're gonna do open shop. It's just, you know, like for testing here. That's why is it scaling? Open shop. There we go. That would be good. Button. Open shop. And then with this, we're gonna have to have book canvas. I'm actually going to remove this from here. Shop book. And we are gonna have a script here. So when we're in shop, we're gonna have a folder here, or a script shop book. Oh, I added a shop book, and it's gonna hold the information for serialized field, private canvas, book canvas, and on here we're gonna make sure that's book canvas dot enabled or dot show or came out. No, what is it? Book canvas dot we'll make sure it's set to false. And we are going to turn this into a singleton because there should not be another one of these. Singleton shop book. And we're actually going to do public void interact. Do book interact. Do book canvas dot enabled equals true. And we're going to go to game manager and close that. Close that. We're going to do another function down here. Public void change move states. Bool can move or new states. This. Then we're going to do can move equals new states. There we go. Good. We're also gonna do public, or we're gonna do private bool pause timer pause game time equals false, and an update here if game state afternoon and pause game time and not pause game timer, then it will run. Okay. Change move state, and we're gonna do change pause state, new state, and it's gonna be pause game. Pause game timer equals new state. Okay, there we go. So then we can go into shop book here. Dot instance dot change move state false. They can't move. Game manager dot instance dot change pause state. We want it to be true. How do you not mix CS and Lua? When I code something on C++, I'm starting to write Lua functions autopilot. I've done a lot of both, and they're just so different that it kind of really doesn't mess with me. I mean, I still kind of do it. Like I was typing local for variables earlier, so it's just a matter of getting used to the other one. Not book interact here. Actually, yeah, we probably should do that. Hit layer. We actually want to do shop book dot instance dot book interact. There we go. We'll just call it off that instance there anyways. And then that will open the canvas. We'll do private void close book. And then we'll just flip all of these false, true, false. Okay, and this actually needs to be a public for a button. Okay, that should be good. I just need to add the close button. Close UI. Just to be... X. Much larger X. Book canvas, shop book. We need to show this on here. Book canvas. And then book canvas, close UI. Man, adding mod support is rough. I don't know if you're gonna do that. Just heads up. Yeah, but you could also leave it to Bepin. BepinX will just, I think they can just like add modding support without the creator even having to do it. If you don't want like straight mod support, you know? Because like games like Supermarket Simulator and stuff don't have modding support off, you know, like just built in. It has BepinX that did it. Yeah, like you don't even have to do modding support if you don't want to. If someone wants to, they'll just take BepinX and then inject it into your game, and then anyone can make mods from that. Ow. Hurt my shoulder. And then it should actually close this canvas for us. Okay, so it worked, but it didn't change my cursor and stuff. Did the can move though, but it set can move to false, I think. Actually, no, it didn't, because I was literally moving around. Change move state false, so it shouldn't let me move. That will make it so there's no cursor lock. But for some reason, the player is still able to turn. Something that has to do with the this. Which shouldn't be happening. Let me open this code here. Whoa. I thought there was code in here to check to make sure everything was. Wait, update. Oh, it's because we gotta do if game manager. I can't even type. This is crazy. Okay, game manager. Okay, it's not even popping up. Is there an error somewhere? Why is it? Was it not working? Okay. Uh, just do this. I don't understand why it's not working correctly here. Um, what is happening? Okay, I don't know why it's being weird. When did you start making games? When I was super young. I don't understand why it's not working here. But why is it not working here? This makes no sense. Because it won't even let me reference this. Private game manager. See, it won't even like let me reference it in any way. I don't understand why. Let me change this. Loads first. I don't understand why this isn't working. It works everywhere else. It works every other time. Because it's not in this namespace. Just because it's not in this namespace. No, so why is that? Why is it not working? I don't understand why it's not working. Game. I mean, even here, it's not working. I gotta go back to. No, I gotta look at the other code here. Figure out why it's working. Why it was working in here. Here it's working. Look at this one's game manager. See what the difference is. Might be because I'm doing a regular instance here, maybe. And try. Nope, it still isn't working. It just doesn't make any sense of why it wouldn't be working. Now everything else is gonna throw. If you were, what steps would you take to learn a new coding language with no prior coding experience? Just get ready to learn, really, honestly. Just have an open mind. Don't be ignorant about it. Realize it's not just like keep in mind it's not something that you just learn in a day. It's one thing I see a lot of people think it's just something you learn in a weekend or something. Still nothing, man. What the heck? And I can't even like reference it either. Can't do like private. Not even this doesn't even work. Oh. Wait, it's because it's in a whole different assembly, man. Yeah, it's in a whole different assembly. That's the only reason it's not working. Hold on. Spin this back to how it was. Now this starter assets is his own in its own assembly. Delete. Oh Lord. That's wild. That was really annoying. Like I'm over here like thinking something's like wrong that I don't even know about, and because it was in another assembly. Weird. It's only because it was a Unity asset. I just download because it's the starter assets, so you could download them and then just use them, and it just came like that, I guess. Which honestly isn't bad because the assemblies are good for load times, but I just didn't need. I don't need assemblies right now. I mean, my code base isn't massive, so I mean, still doing it, but yeah, because I didn't check it here. I do the check here also. There we go. All right. Oh, hold on. Let's do some logic to actually open the shop while we're at it. Public void open shop. So we'll do if game manager dot instance dot shop. What is it? Oh, game state. Is that not? Okay, so that's public. That's private. So we're actually going to serialize field this with your field. Public. We're actually gonna have this set. We're not gonna set this immediately. So we're gonna do get sets private set, and then on start, we're actually gonna do game state dot morning. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna do shop manager, or we're gonna do public void change game state. We'll then do game states equals new state. There we go. So then we can go into shop book here, and we can do if game state equals game state. I can't just directly reference it. I always have to do. Let's change this here. Let's do private game manager. Game manager equals this so I don't have to reference this every single time. And I do the same thing here. Dot game state. Oh no, we want game state. Don't need that open anymore. Wait, game state. Try to do it. It's being weird. Oh, I don't have the game state. My game state dot if this equals night or afternoon. Wait, no. If game state equals night, we don't want to do it. Or if game state equals afternoon, we don't want to do it. Just if this or this. No, wait. Does not equal. Does not equal. Then we can do. Then we're gonna do game manager dot instance. Oh my gosh. Dot instant. Oh, I don't have to do that. Dot change game state. We actually want to set it to afternoon, so now the game will actually play. And then we're gonna close the canvas after we do this. So if I go to open shop, add, we'll do shop book here, and we'll do shop book dot, and it should be open shop. There we go. Save. Do it this way, and then it should be good. So the timer is actually running, which it shouldn't be. Game manager here. Morning. See, it's running when it's morning. It should be running at all. So that's when you go in a shop or game manager here. Update. If game state equals afternoon, or that's odd. Why is it? Game state has to equal out. Game state needs to be afternoon for the code to run. Why is it running whenever? Yeah, it's morning and it's running. Actually running whenever it wants, which is not right. No matter the game state. Or not. Okay. That's why this is running, because of this or not. So actually these should be nested if not paused. We nest these and then that won't throw. Put some food in there fryer real quick. Be right back. All right, so let's see if this works. Which it should work. Just because that stupid or statement. There we go. It's not running. Nice. Okay. So I press this and then press open. Oh, there we go. We're open. And if I press it again, nothing happens. And when I open this menu, the timer actually pauses too. And then it closes it. There we go. So it will unpause it. So now you have your. So now the day is started. And it worky. Worky. So actually, I kind of want the current time to start at let me mess with this a little bit actually. I want it to start at 8. Oh. Did I just break it? I think it was 480. 480. So it's like 8 in the morning to like 8 at night, almost. Okay, so when we start, actually it didn't start it at the time I wanted to at all, but all right, that's fine. All right, time equals 480. That should be good here, honestly. I think that should work. This is gonna be like a rush to do things or like a timer. No, it's just from like you have as much time to set up the day as you want. Because there'll be like tasks like filling the fireplace, like sweeping the floor and stuff like that. And then you have a 12-hour window, which will be like 20 minutes of like when the customers are coming in. And then there's once that 20 minutes up, it will pause again. And then from then you have like, see, it just started at 8 and then it will tick down to I think it should be it will go to 20, which is 8, I think, actually. 2000, I think that's 8. Yeah, so it's like 8 to 8, which I don't think it's exactly 20 minutes now because of what I just did, but it's 12 minutes. This is a total of 12 minutes is the total daytime. Which honestly isn't that bad either, so. Which, if anything, I just need to change this. I just add 480 to this, I think. If I add 480 to this, then it should even back out to 20 minutes exactly. Actually, put that back like that, and then we'll make sure it works here. Now, yeah, I like it when there's I've seen that in a few strategy games where they do it like that, and or like shot management games. I like when they don't make you have to rush to get everything done at the beginning, and you have like your own time to set stuff up. But it should still be fine, I think. Oh, time gets really weird now because what I just did. So yeah, for now it will just be 1200. We'll just leave it 1200 and it's 12 minutes. That should be good. I'm gonna grab my food. All right. So that is that. Now there's a timer for the day and stuff. Um, so then we'll do, um, add another button. Like end the day. Actually, I'm gonna give this to ChatGPT and tell it to add AM and PM on it. I don't really feel like learning how to do all the formatting time stuff. Here we go. ChatGPT. Okay. We need to go to start, and we need to set the text based on the time. So update level timer, which is stupid because that's not even like what our thing is, but I'll update at the start so it's actually formatted when the game starts. Um I think from there actually. So we need like a finish day button. So we need to close shop. Okay, so you can close your shop at any point in the day except morning. Does not equal morning. 'Cause why would you close your shop if you haven't even opened yet? It doesn't make any sense. But and then when you close it, let's actually change that to end day. Really, this will change it back to morning. And we'll close the canvas, but and we should honestly probably make this function here a switch statement so I can put logic behind it, but fine for now at least. Let's add open shop. We'll do end day. Pull this over. So just make it the exact other side. We'll do end day. I mean, this looks like crap, but you know, we're just setting it all up right now. And we'll do for the button end day. All right, we'll see if it works. There we go. 12:08 a.m. Yeah, that's not what I want it to be at all. ChatGPT messed up. So now I can either revert what I had or tell them to fix it. Was it 480? All right, Mr. GPT fixed it. Okay. Actually, it's not even that hard as I thought it would be to format the time correctly. Player HUD, game time text is AM. Let me change this a little bit so because it messed up when I reset it or when I set it up. There we go. Good enough. Still isn't right, but why? Give them all my code, really. That's why I don't use ChatGPT. Oh, it's telling me to start at 0. Okay, that's why. She was right. I just needed to start at 0 instead. That's fun. It still didn't work. Okay. I'll just take what he sent me and paste it in. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna revert back to what I had. Oh, okay. Smart. Okay. I see how they set it up. That's good though, cause I had no clue how that was gonna work. It still didn't work, but it's okay. Yeah. Yeah, like here it's like multiplying it by the time was starting at what, like midnight? No. 12:08. What the? How the fuck is that happening? Oh my god, what is it? Okay, now I just want to see like it just changed my code so much. I want to see how this will work. I want to see more or less. I just want to see if it will work because it just changed like crazy. Let's see. What's up, Tico? Or if you're not Tico, what's up, Tyler? Ow! I just bit my lip really hard. Oh no, I actually fixed it. Oh, it's actually working. Okay. It doesn't even look that bad, really. It doesn't look amazing, but I just ate way too many chicken nuggets. Just way too many. Way over the recommended value for human consumption. I'll just put that out there. Hasn't even been a minute yet. Oh my lord. To finish the game today? Is that what you're asking me? Um, let's do. Let's do. Okay, let's do assets. What time is it? 8:16. Okay, nice. Probably keep streaming here for a little bit and then end in maybe an hour or two. Play some CS:GO and go to bed. No, just like what Assassin's games are you trying to add to the game today? To features? Oh, it's just I'm just kind of doing like the foundation sort of stuff because I literally just created the project today, so probably build the items and stuff right now. Like items and stuff. Um, folder items. And then we'll do scripting, scriptable objects, item base. I hate naming things scriptable objects. Okay, so we'll do public string item name, public unrelated to this only because I just got a text. Qbox better in your opinion, or does it matter? I don't know a lot about Qbox, to be honest. No, wait, yeah, I do. Oh my gosh, yeah, I like Qbox or QBX more than QB Core. I like QBX more, but that's just me personally. And then we can go to shop manager, inventory. We don't even need item name. We'll just do public string or public item base, and then we'll do item. Yeah, let's do item. There we go. And then I should just be able to go back here. And then, so like, for example, we'll do, each item will have its own folder. So we'll make our first item here, apple. And we'll have like, it will have its critical objects here. And we'll call this apple. And then it will have like a sprite in there too. I don't know how to code, but I always watch game dev videos all the time. They look interesting and fun. Makes me want to learn and make little games, mainly to have my brother download it. And I just demolish him because why not? Brotherly love, you know? Yeah, game dev's fun, man. That's a good pastime. It's a good way to get into like an industry and stuff too. Industry as in like programming and stuff. Delete this here, and then it should actually save that Apple information in the save file. If I open this. Here we have our. Oh, it didn't save. Okay. Um, that should show. Why didn't that save? I added that inventory to it. That's why that's confusing. Let's do update if input dot get key down key code dot. I'll just do L for now. Shop data dot inventory dot at insert. It's an array. It's not add. I don't really want it to be a dictionary. I want it to be a list. So actually, let's change this here. Lists. So we can do add item. Item will be public. Item base debug. Inventory dot add shop inventory item. Make this different than what I'm thinking. It wants a shop inventory. Oh, I really wish. Okay, actually, I should have. So I just had a class. I had the scriptable object. Remember from a video made GitHub, you know, Lube. Yeah, I know C++ a little bit, not like amazingly though. I had it that I had it how I had it here. My thing now is just about how we actually add things to the shop. I can't remember how I did it last time. So I had inventory like this. Was inventory. So that's just this. So I already have that. Class with the item base. Okay. So then, what's it? Book? Is this book ID? Did I make the inventory but never like actually? I never actually made it so I could buy things. That's annoying. Yeah, sure. Yes, I trust. Let me look here. Take this. Search this. Let's see. Build inventory page. Okay, so I did do more than I thought here. Plug class inventory. I comment this all out. Okay. This is what adds the item to the inventory. So you just give it. Okay. Ah, I see what we're doing here. Okay. I don't know why I commented this out. Oh. This item's create new inventory entry. Oh, this will create the entry. Okay. New inventory. Oh, that's what we have to do. Okay, so we do inventory, new inventory item, and then what we do with that is we create inventory item, which is probably a function I had somewhere. Okay, create inventory item. And I resize the array because I didn't have it as a list, which I could just make it a list so I don't have to resize the array, but I mean, it's only adding 1 or 2 each time. All right, man. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good dinner, man. What's up, Abel? Okay, so all I have to do is new item. Public void that? I'm gonna stream. You barely stream now. Yeah, I kind of really lost interest in 5M for a while. I mean, still pretty lost interest on it, but kind of just trucking along now, doing not 5M stuff. Shop data. Yeah, this is Unity. Yep. Data. And after that, we want to save shop data. New item. 5M for me personally is just, I don't know. I have like 5K hours in 5M. I think like I'm at that point where I'm like just so burnt out. For me, I already know how to program in 5M, and I gotta think more about my personal future than anything, and I just don't see 5M getting me to where I want to be. So, but yeah, that's pretty much the wrap. Yeah. Okay, now the shop. Oh, I didn't assign that debug item. Well, it added a bunch of items, which not how I wanted it to be, but okay. Let me load. Are you scraping your server then? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by scraping my server? Oh, it loaded all the items. Nice. That's good, but not how it should have been. So I should do public void scrapping. Oh, okay. Like calling quits on your server. No, Brock is still doing a lot of stuff with it, I think. Or he's still working on it. Public void add item. Item base. So now what we need to do here is so for an I equals 1 and I am actually gonna end stream now. Let me finish this here. Actually, never mind. I'm ending stream because like I just got a CS:GO game, so I gotta actually play this or I will get banned. I don't want to get banned. So yeah. Thanks for everyone chilling the stream. We'll be back tomorrow. I'll stream for longer tomorrow. I just didn't really feel like streaming today, and I was setting everything up, but everything's set up now. So, yeah. If you guys are, yeah, make sure you guys join the Discord, subscribe to the channel, and peace out.